And a tribunal set up to probe High Court Judge Justice Said Juma Chitembwe has unanimously recommended for his removal from office. The tribunal has found Judge Chitembwe to have breached the Constitution and the Code of Conduct for the judges of the Superior Court and culpable for gross misconduct and misbehavior. NTV's Vincent Odur begins our coverage tonight from there.
It is therefore absolute.
Tuesday, the tribunal led by the chairperson Judge Mumbi Ngugi submitted its report to President William Ruto at State House, Nairobi.
The Judicial Service Commission for removal.
The tribunal has unanimously recommended the removal from office of Judge Said Juma Chitembwe.
The above stated breaches of the Constitution and the Code of Conduct and Ethics by the judge amount to gross misconduct and misbehavior under Article 168(1)(e) of the Constitution. We therefore recommend to Your Excellency that the Honorable Mr. Justice Said Juma Chitembwe be removed from the office of Judge of the High Court.
Chitembwe was found to have failed to disclose his relationship with former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko in a case against the latter. The judge was also found culpable of discussing matters pending before him with third parties and offering legal advice to Sonko on the possible grounds of appeal against a High Court judgment.
His subsequent conduct of holding meetings with the parties at his residences on 16th March 2021, 22nd May 2021, 9th and 10th July 2021, and his undertaking to compromise Court of Appeal judges amounted to lack of accountability, involvement in corrupt practices, and impropriety. The tribunal finds that the judge acquired a proprietary interest in property, the subject matter of his decision in Malindi Succession Clause number 97 of 2015.
President William Ruto has lauded the tribunal's report, saying its decision will cement the importance of the rule of law in the country.
I will subsequently do my part as instructed by you. This is a matter that I do not have any other recourse. We must always keep to that narrow path of the rule of law and avoid extra-constitutional, extra-legal means of dealing with one another.
Judge Chitembwe found himself in trouble when Sonko posted on social media video recordings and a phone call conversation linking Chitembwe to bribery. In May last year, the Judicial Service Commission recommended the removal of Chitembwe from office and wrote to the then President Uhuru Kenyatta to form the tribunal that has now finished its job. Judges whose careers have ended at the recommendation of such a tribunal include former Deputy Chief Justice Nancy Baraza and High Court Judge Joseph Mutava. Vincent Odur, NTV.